So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to lock your TradingView chart. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your TradingView account, and you can see a layout similar to this one. So you can see your overview, your news, community, technicals, seasonals, and components. You can also access your full chart through there. Once you've done all of that, you can see a layout similar to this one. And you can also access it from the left sidebar, so you can see different parts of the page that is subject to you changing how the chart would look. What are some indicators that you want to keep in mind? So once you have everything perfect and down to exactly how you want it, you can see on the left side this option to lock all drawings. So if you try to do something, you can just drag it and then wait for it to fill it up. So you can't add any drawings. You won't be able to do it like that. If you want to even do a double lock, you can go to this. So these two things that have a padlock, so you can choose to lock both of those, so you won't be able to influence the drawing anymore. So you can just wait for it to do that automation or do that process that you've set it up for. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on TradingView or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.